for your friend. For this we need some 3 mm paper quilling strip, some half cut pearls, quilling tool, scale, scissor, pencil, ruler, some square shaped sheet of yellow color, pattern paper, one orange sheet and fevicol. Now let's get start this. First I will take one orange sheet which measures 20 by 10 cm and mark it 2.5 and 5 cm. Now let's join the lines. Like this and fold it. Fold first line on above side and second line on below side like this. After folding it will look like this. And it's time to take one yellow sheet which measures 7.5 by 5 cm. Mark 2.5 on this side and also this side. Now join the lines. Fold it like this. It's time to stick this sheet on orange sheet and mark it 5 cm on the back side of card. Take little glue and stick on this side. Wait for some time for drying it. After drying, it will work like this. So guys, my first slide is ready. Similarly, I will make second slide like this. Remember, we have to stick the yellow sheet on the below side of first slide and the above side of second slide. It's time to join the both sides, adding little glue like this. After sticking, it will look like this. Yay, our card is working. For decorating this card, I am going to use this pattern paper. Stick the pattern paper on the front part of the card. It's time to make quilling flowers. Making the petal of the flower, I am going to use 1/4 strip of yellow color and 1/4 strip of light green color. For rolling this petal, I am going to use the cap of the glue. You can use any other thing. So it's ready and it's time to make a teardrop shape like this, and it's time to make the middle part of the petal. Make some scrolls. In the same way, I have created more scrolls. Whole scrolls is ready and fill it in the middle part of the petal. So the first petal is ready. Similarly, I have created 5 more petals and it's time to make flower. So flower is ready and it's time to stick the pearl on the center part of the flower. So the flower is ready and it's time to make the small flowers. For making the small flowers, I am going to use half strip of yellow color. Make it like this. Similarly, I have created 5 more petals and it's time to join all the petals for making flower. The small flower is ready. Similarly, I have created 1 more flower and it's time to decorate the card. Stick the big flower on the middle part of the card and also small flowers in this side. So the card is look like this. I also created some scrolls for looking this card attractive. After sticking scrolls, it will look like this. And I have created 2 tags for stick on this side and this side. I have made 2 handmade cards, and it's time to stick this. After sticking, and I also make a tag of yellow strip and stick in this side. Now the whole card is ready. My double swapper card is ready. Thanks for watching my video, and please like, share and subscribe my channel for latest update. Follow my Instagram, ID is given below, and also do the comments how it is.